How to add a device in Google Play. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to add a device in Google Play, simply you have to log into the particular account over here. Now for that, you have to first of all launch the Play Store application on your device. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. So as you do that, you can see this arrow down button beside your email ID. So just tap on it and then tap on this option of add another account. So tap on add another account. So when you do that, it will take you to a new page where you'll be able to log in or create an account. So tap on Google over here. And as you tap on Google, it will start checking for the information. So just enter your passkey and continue the process of adding a device on Google Play. So what you simply need to do is just mention the email ID over here and then your password and simply your login credentials, and you'll be able to create or add a device in Google Play. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.